So this kaupapa was really birthed out of me wanting to awhi and support plus size wahine and whānau to be able to pursue and improve hauora. And so we started with Tinana Ora physical health program where we draw from aspects of Te Ao Māori and mainstream ideas, being creative with exercise and also whanaungatanga.
Te pūtahitanga o Te Waipounamu's funding has made a world of a difference in the delivery of our kaupapa Tinana Ora. We've been able to book venues for wānanga, provide kai for our whānau to support them in their hauora journey, and hire facilitators to run physical activities for our whānau.
We've been meeting together to just get active together as a rōpū, as a whānau, and we've done many activities such as gospel jam, poi-fit, walking netball, boxing, aqua-jogging. So I've mainly targeted whānau who are a bit whakamā to get out and start moving and making those changes for themselves, and also anyone that has struggled with health in any other way, because a lot of our exercise sessions are low impact.
My mum, she died when she was 46. Her mum died when she was 46. I'm 46 now, and I didn't want to follow the same things. And that's where I was. It felt like I was going down backwards. When you put your post up, I was like, oh, I've got nothing to lose.
Yeah,
All I need to do is just get on board, see where it takes me. And it was pulling me out of my comfort zone, because I've always done stuff for my kids, my moko, my tāne, my dad, my mum, trying to please everybody, but this was for me.
Please remain seated.
We've also been able to use the funding to be able to provide entry into the gym, into the pools for those that weren't able to afford it. We really wanted to make this kaupapa as easy as possible for whānau to pursue their goals.
Just even having that catch-up
time,
you know,
yeah.
It just encourages us.
And
That's what I like.
I'm going for a walk. Does anyone else want to come?
Yeah. And even being real about the struggles too.
Yeah.
So some wahine have come to me and said that it's really improved their confidence to be able to get out in public places and exercise, whereas they would never have done that before.
Don't let it rule you.
I would like to continue providing Tinana Ora, because I know that we are only just a small portion of many, and I think that if we continue the journey together, it will encourage others to come along and grow and actually empower more whānau to actually really think about their hauora.